In this video, we will demonstrate the procedure for temporarily deactivating all modules in Bitdefender Security Solutions for Windows. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. First, let's open the Bitdefender interface. You can do this by double-clicking on the Bitdefender icon in your system tray or on your desktop. Once the Bitdefender interface is open, access the protection section on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here you'll see all the modules that make up Bitdefender's security features. To disable the antivirus module, click Open in the Antivirus pane. In the Advanced tab, toggle Bitdefender Shield to the off position. Select the duration and click OK. Once the selected time elapses, Bitdefender will automatically reactivate the protection shield. Next, access the Settings tab of the Antivirus pane and use the drop-down menu to disable Scan CD and DVD, Scan flash drives, and Scan mapped network drives. To disable Advanced Threat Defense, go back to Protection and click Open in the Advanced Threat Defense pane. In the Settings tab, toggle Advanced Threat Defense to the off position. Return to Protection. We'll guide you through the next steps in a similar fashion. You'll need to turn off the firewall, anti-spam, ransomware remediation, and vulnerability switches. Next, click Settings in the Online Threat Prevention pane, then switch off Web Attack Prevention, Search Advisor, Encrypted Web Scan, Fraud Protection, Phishing Protection, and Network Protection. For email protection, use the drop-down menu to select Don't Scan Emails. All protection features are now disabled. Let's move on to Bitdefender's privacy features. To disable SafePay, you need to click Settings in the SafePay pane. Head to the Settings tab, then switch off SafePay notifications, automatically open Bitdefender SafePay, and use VPN with SafePay. In the Password Manager pane, click Settings. Click here. Go to the Settings tab and toggle Wallet to the off position. Return to Privacy and toggle Anti-Tracker to the off position. In the VPN pane, click Open VPN and disconnect Bitdefender VPN. Then click Settings in the Video and Audio Protection pane. In the Settings tab, toggle both Webcam Protection and Microphone Monitor to the off position. In the Parental Control pane, you'll need to click Configure. Bitdefender Central will launch in your default web browser. Sign in if prompted. Press View on the child profile associated with your device and unassign your PC if it's being monitored by parental control. We're down to the last section, Utilities. Click Settings in the Profiles pane. Then toggle Activate Profiles automatically to the off position. And that's it! You've successfully disabled all Bitdefender features. Just remember to re-enable the modules one by one. Ensuring that Bitdefender is enabled is imperative in order to safeguard the computer from cyber risks. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender support website.